guys, welcome back to the house tour part 2. This is the closet tour. I am very excited about this room because for an actress, for an artist, this space is very important. And मेरा हमेशा से सपना था कि I have a closet room dedicated to me and my team. So this is my makeup station. I love this mirror. The texture of this mirror is just amazing. मैं यहाँ बैठती हूँ, यहाँ पे मेरी team आती है and we all get ready. This is where the magic happens. This is a place where we have lots of memories, lots of makeup is always here. But right now I'll show you my collection. I myself am a big collector of makeup. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है lip gloss and blush on ये सब collect करना. So it's not as organized as it should be. आप थोड़ी कर सकते हो इतना organized come on. So there's these. I will buy one of them. There you go. I love makeup. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैं Pinterest पे देखते रहती हूँ कि what all looks can I experiment with, and then मैं और Anusha, my makeup artist, we discuss and then we make it happen. But out. So this is where the lipsticks are. This is where my makeup is. I'll have like this blush and then a little bit blush blindness. So I think everybody has at this point, right, girlies? And then that's it. Amazing. So this is where I keep my makeup. Everybody knows कि मैं skincare को कितना seriously लेती हूँ. Let me show you. This is just one part of it. This is my skincare drawer, 1 out of a million. घर के अलग-अलग corners पे skincare है. Like I have my own little mini store. Then we have this, which is face, and this is all from Korea, so I'm like obsessed. What do you want? What do you want? We have it. I love skincare. Skincare obsessed. Then I also really like collecting perfumes. This has been a thing for the past I don't know how many years, but look at this. This is so pretty. This is one of my current favorites. I'm gonna apply it a little bit. Always smelling delicious. That's the goal. This is my sipper. मेरा गला थोड़ा सा बैठा हुआ है, so I have warm water and honey. That's done. And this is where all the styling things are. So for an artist, if people don't know, हमारी जो पूरी team होती है, जब वो घर आते हैं ready करने के लिए, the makeup people are here, the styling people are here, and then हम सब जो भी हमारी jewelry है, sunglasses है, everything we keep on this table right here, and then we get ready. But here I also have my jewelry, which is almost organized. Let me show you this one. There's this little one, and then we have this. Some of my necklaces and then earrings that I like. I love this. Look at this. This is so cool. Yes. Amazing. I love it. I love collecting earrings. This is actually very special. ये जो box है ये actually मेरी mom का है. My mom, when she was in her 20s, she collected those earrings and she kept it for me. So recently all the Indian jewelry that I've been wearing is actually my mom's. Imagine this looks new. But this is actually from long back और मुझे झुमके बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So I just really love the fact that I get to wear my mom's jewelry. So this is very special. Thank you, Mama. And then we have some more Indian jewelry right here. Silver jewelry, gold jewelry, everything. Wow, love being a girly. Now let me show you this. This is the closet space. This is where my clothes are. I come here every morning, get dressed, see what I want and pick and choose. Such a dream being a girl. This is where my dresses are. It is almost organized in like a color scheme. This is all the prints, this is all the blacks and whites. Clearly black dress बहुत popular है. I love this dress. Look at this. I wore this recently and आप सबको ये dress बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. I love how it's just, you know, a lot of moons and stars. It's bejeweled. I love it. There's this dress that I really like. This dress that I really like. So I love wearing like midi and long dresses. This is not a dress, it's a like outfit of the day, but I really like it. And then we also have some coats. You know, ये वीडियो जो मैं बना रही हूँ ना ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये मैंने पहले करा हुआ है क्योंकि ये मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा रहा है कि I've always wanted to show you guys this part of me. This is very personal to me, but because you guys are my extended family, so welcome to my personal space. We have these coats. जब ठंड होती है, मुंबई में तो ठंड होती नहीं है तो ये ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं होता मुंबई में, but I keep traveling a lot, so I need overcoats and short coats whenever I want. And the weather is too cold. This one is my newest collection. I love it. It's leather, but it's like, I love it. super nice. Then यहाँ पे कुछ random चीजें हैं, जैसे there's some Indian pieces that are there that I want to keep handy कि if I have to shoot for something and I want to wear something Indian. मुझे बहुत पसंद है साड़ियाँ पहनना, तो साड़ियों का एक collection है, बहुत अच्छे से रखा हुआ है. ये चुन्नी है जो मेरी मॉम ने मुझे गिफ्ट करी है. This is very nicely carefully kept. I love how it looks on me. Look at this. It's my mom specifically got it for me when she was in Jamshedpur. I love it. I love it so much. And then moving on from this, my coats हो गए, हमारे long dresses हो गए. Oh, did I show you the boots? Look at those. There's some high boots also there. So cool. Okay, that was clearly not the way of closing it. Perfect. Then we have some short dresses. I also really like wearing mini dresses. See, I'm so into fashion and makeup and beauty. It's just my thing. Then we have like these prints. Then we have red dresses, which is my favorite. Anything red, I love. I love collecting them. Like, look at this dress. It's so pretty. I haven't worn it yet. Itna sundar hai. Just love collecting. This is my birthday dress this year that I wore. So everything is here. All my cargos are here because, well, I like cargos a little too much. There are a lot of them. So that was it for this corner. Let me show you one corner जो मुझे पता है कि आप लोग को already पता है. You ready? Are you? Ta-da! Everybody knows I like shoes. I love shoes. This is my collection over the years. I will point out some of my favorites. This is a recent present from one of my team members called Sujit. He gifted me this. This is a handmade shoe. So from the sole to everything is actually handmade. So it's pretty unique. The design is unique and picked by him for me. It was for my birthday. So thank you, Sujit, for this present. It's so nice. Then I have these. Oh my god, look at how cool. Look how pretty. Oh my god. I love it. This one. These are like bedazzled ones. And then I love sneakers also. जितना मुझे heels पहनना पसंद है, I also really like wearing boots and sneakers. So I have Jordans right here. Then I have these Converse right here. And then we have some beautiful bejeweled heels. This is so Cinderella. I really like it. Then we have these Crocs. They're really amazing. This is a conversation starter. When I wear it, they're like, okay, it's Anushka. That's why she's wearing a obnoxiously large but so super cute. And this is a aespa K-pop band, that collaboration with Crocs, so I really like it. So yes, this is my little shoe corner and heels and boots that I really like. And now talking about a really special corner in this room is the Tanpura, which my mom plays. And इतना खूबसूरत लगता है जब mom is just sitting here and playing and वो रियाज करते हैं, तो इतना अच्छा लगता है. This is a very special corner. And then it's a full-size mirror to check your look, your makeup, your hair, and just feel the look. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हम team photos भी लेते हैं यहाँ पे. Mirror selfies, everything that I do is actually from this place. Yeah, I really like it. Really like जब पूरा look हो जाता है and then mirror में देख के we just check out the whole thing. So this is the closet, and last but not the least, we have the मंदिर. क्योंकि टेक्निकली ये मेरी काम की जगह है, यहाँ पे हमारा काम शुरू होता है, हमारा दिन शुरू होता है, तो यहाँ पे मंदिर होना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड मैं प्रे करती हूँ यहाँ पे पहले, उसके बाद हम काम शुरू करते हैं. सो शिव जी और पूरा मंदिर यहाँ पे है. And that's it, guys. This was the closet tour. I hope you like it. आप सब चाहते थे कि पूरा घर देखो, but I think it's better अगर हम एक रूम एक साथ देखें. So this was the part 2. Stay tuned for part 3.